How to change invoice template in Zoho. So first go to Zoho Books, and then you can just click on the gear icon here at the top right. Next is scroll down and you can see the customization option here. Click on PDF templates. Now here you can just click on add new, or this new option here. And then here make sure you can select any of the templates that you want to use or to change into. So let's say I'm going to change to this one, this fourth one, and then click on use this, and then choose your preferred language, and then click on use this again. Now here you can see how the template would look like. Okay, now you can see a lot of options or settings here to customize your invoice. So let's say you're done customizing your invoice. Now next you can just click on save at the top, and there you go. Now in order for you to use this, you can just select it, make sure to set it as default, and there you go. So that's it. If you found this to be useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.